Thanksgiving leftovers are great, especially when they're repurposed and transformed into a different meal. So instead of trying to find Tupperware to store all the leftovers, I assemble these sliders. First, take your bread and cut it across the middle. Place the bottom layer in your baking dish and sprinkle in some cheddar cheese. Then begin layering your leftover mashed potatoes, dressing, and shredded turkey. Add the leftover cranberry sauce to the tops and place over the layered ingredients to sandwich everything together. Now take a small ramekin and mix together a little olive oil, garlic powder, and everything bagel seasoning. After this step, cover this and store in the refrigerator until you're ready to enjoy. When you're ready to serve, bake the sliders in a 350-degree oven for 15 to 20 minutes or until everything is warmed through. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share below. Have a blessed day.